Okay, everybody, I have all the chair all assembled, although I'm just showing you the old, what it looks like on the old chair and frame here to show you what I did. So one of the things you have to remember when you reinstall this motor, so the motor, this is actually part of the motor. The rest of the motor is actually here, but it's, mine has actually broken off. So but I'm gonna show you on this old one. So when you insert this piece, align that spline with the spline on the jack screw here, and then you just want to wiggle it in, make sure it actually, these points actually align here, and then you want to continue wiggling this, pulling it up and down until it actually does eventually slide in, and then this screw will actually slide out here. These are two attachment screws that go here and here. What you want to do once this goes all the way in, these screws will be able to get threaded through here, and then you can just tighten this up. So the motor would be here if my motor was here. This is the connector for the motor, and this is that jack screw that actually ends up hitting the motor on my this is the broken chair here. So I'll go ahead and show you guys what it looks like on the car. So I went ahead and installed the seat. Here's it on the car. This part of the chair, because the frame is actually straight now, is no longer slagging on this side. The up will work, down will work, front, back will work. It's not as smooth as I would like it, but it does work. So I'm fairly happy about it. Also the front, the front rise and the front lower. So it's not as smooth as I like it, but I think it's good enough. I think the motor I got from the junkyard was not as smooth as it was. So anyways, that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching.